So if you're not using the Pro ads over at LeadsLeap, whether you're a Pro member or a free member, if you're not using those, let me just show you. I'm logging into my LeadsLeap now, and I'm going to prove to you that this is one of the best traffic sources, one of the best places to get leads, period. Forget about everything else that this system does. Let me just show you a few of my campaigns, okay? Let's start here. And let's open this up and let's go to 100 and do this sort, toggle the sources in alphabetical, and I'm going to scroll down here. Pro ad, 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 pro ad. I mean, there's a few more in here too. Let me scroll down to, let's go to the next one here. This is pretty recent, and again, we'll toggle the source alphabetically. We'll show 100, even though I don't have 100 in here, but I do have quite a few. And pro ad, pro ad, pro ad. If you can't see this, let me blow this up. I mean, it's crazy. This is the best. I don't understand people. Here's pro ad. I tried to blow it up so you can see it, but I can't slide the screen over. Yeah, that's probably good enough right there. Pro ad. All right, let's scroll down and go to another one here. This 86 leads in here, and we want to toggle the status alphabetically. We want to show 100, even though I don't have 100 in here. And let's, oh, I toggled the wrong thing. Real live here, folks. All right, so there we go. Yep, alphabetically by the numbers. Let's go down and MNOP Pro ad. There we go. Pro ad, 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 pro ad. Here we go. Another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one. I mean, folks, I could go on and on. Let's do one more here. This has got 210 opt-ins here, and let's change this to 100. And let's go to the source, toggle the source alphabetically. There's the A's and the B's, and let's go on down to the next page, and the next page. Oh, we're in the Z's, the traffic zippers, the viral URL. I want to show you this last one here because I know that I have every single one in here. It's a pro ad. Pro ad, pro ad, pro ad, pro ad. Listen, you get the point, okay? If you're if you're not a member, click on the button here, join with me. We've cracked the code. Okay, I'm going to give you everything. I'm going to give you, as a pro member, you get 10 pro ads, okay, and they're classified ads with an image. All right, we're going to give you the images. We're going to give you the classified ads. We're just going to give them to you, okay, as if you're on our team. If you're not on our team, then it's just a one-time payment. That's it. It's that simple. It's worth it. And folks, let me tell you, if you're not utilizing it, if you're on a budget, you can get in here and you can click for credits and you can still use the free ads. But, if you can afford to upgrade, there's so many other things that you can do with this. There's all kinds of videos. We won't get into that. I just wanted to show you right now today, right? And here in August 2025, it's tough to get leads online, for your business opportunity. It's expensive, right? We're going to show you how to do it for less than a buck a day. I don't even know what it costs for LeadsLeap right now. I'm an affiliate, and you join on our team. We're gonna give them all to you. We're gonna give you so many bonuses. We're gonna give you traffic. I mean, you see all these leads that we're getting, and so there you go. All right, we'll see you on the next one.